I know you're used to seeing me on the videos, but I wanted to share some videos with success stories from people in our community. So check it out and enjoy.
I was looking for a program to supplement my endurance training, I guess, because I still like to play golf, pick up basketball.
I'm a United States Navy veteran, and I do yoga. If you had asked me a year and a half ago, there's probably no way on earth that I would have uttered that entire statement.
I lift regularly. I played soccer, ran track in high school, and I still, play soccer to this day. However, in the last few years, I noticed some issues I was having with mobility and flexibility.
And I was losing some of the strength that I felt I needed to perform where I wanted to in those sports. So I didn't want to go back to traditional weightlifting because of the aches and pains.
I was developing some pain in my knee and pain in my lower back, and I wanted to do something about it.
So I thought I'd try yoga.
In the first few weeks from doing a few of these programs and workouts, I immediately felt relief in my knees, my lower back, and just overall flexibility and mobility.
So we've got core strength, we've got mobility, we've got ankle mobility, being able to get the heel down on the ground. One more breath here.
And after doing only a few weeks or a month of yoga, I noticed the effect of yoga in my climbing. I could climb better because I was more flexible, I had better technique, and I could notice that I had a better posture. I was more aware of my body and my core.
What ManFlow Yoga has done for the way my body feels and the way it performs, it was a game changer.
You're activating certain muscles that you didn't know you should activate before.
Turning your hip toward the outside, and that's gonna help you properly engage that glute. We're gonna do 20 seconds here. This is a really useful exercise for strengthening your glutes. It's also a great to do before any workout to make sure that your glutes are properly firing.
I run and do some other types of HIIT workouts. Use yoga from ManFlow Yoga basically for my foundation.
Dean's teaching approach is incredible. I mean, he focuses on building muscle and building flexibility and mobility, and instead of talking about the spiritual stuff, he talks about which muscles to activate.
Chest stays upright, hips are engaged. Slowly sink down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chest up.
In fact, I don't even run unless I do one of Dean's routines before I go.
And for versatility, ManFlow Yoga allows me to recover for triathlon. It allows me to strengthen for some of the other activities and the flexibility for golf per se, and a lot of the other stuff I'll do. And it allows me to keep my workout times down to a minimum and get maximum benefit from a limited amount of time put in throughout the week, because I have a family, wife, and kids.
Overall, I had no idea yoga would be this challenging or this important to overall fitness.
I noticed that it's helping me with my recovery. I recover faster if I have any aches and pains. After doing yoga, I feel much better.
Recently, I was able to complete a half marathon, which I had not done in the past 7 years.
Yeah, try the program. You got nothing to lose, and trust me, stick it out, do what you're told, listen, watch. You'll get the benefits. I promise, because I have, and I never thought I would.
ManFlow Yoga has truly changed the way I look at fitness and the way I look at sports performance.
The best program out there is ManFlow Yoga.
Just finished a routine, so I need to go out and run, which is part of my routine. But before I do, encourage your family and friends to sign up for ManFlow Yoga. It'll make a difference for you too.